Hi, class. My name is Joseph Hurtado. I'm from Bakersfield, California. I'm 23 years old. I go to Cal State University of Bakersfield. I just finished my last final yesterday, and I'm ready to start summer school. Um, I got my degree in psychology, but my main goal is to get into PA school. With my degree in psychology, I've also been taking a few health courses and just trying to hit all the prereqs to be able to apply for PA schools in the spring. I actually just got back from my brother's graduation from PA school. That's why I'm wearing this collar and all that. But yeah, I'm just really excited to learn and just ready to go on this journey with all you guys. And I'm so happy that I have this opportunity to be able to afford or go to a university like this and that they have classes like this online that we're all able to take, and with our busy schedules just be able to get the classes we need and hopefully all pass and reach our end goals. Thank you so much for your time, and then I'm really excited for this journey.